Hi, I got some requests from fans who couldn't get this book in physical form, so I'm have to read a few lessons here for you. Hopefully, it's helpful. Let me start from the first one. Failure. She failed the exam. Who is she? She thinks she is a loser because she failed the exam. It came as a surprise, and she was quite shocked to learn that she failed. Tears were rolling down her cheeks. She ran to her mom and hugged her. She needed motivation as she also felt ashamed of herself, not knowing what to say. She just kept crying and crying. It's unexpected to fail, but it's obvious that she has to make a new plan for the future. It's the future that seems pretty lonely. Her friends will go on to study at university, but she will be stuck at the same high school. In other words, she has to repeat the 12th grade again, unwillingly and shamefully. She hates being compared by others, but sometimes she compares herself with her friends and classmates. As a result, she gets mad at herself. When she looks in the mirror, she sees a loser and she just wants to motivation from machine. Hello, my name is Dara the machine, but you can call me Cool Mac. My creator Dara the Shoeman has invented me to speak on behalf of him. So my job is to talk with you. You can talk back if you want. You feel ashamed because you think failing an exam is a bad thing. What do you want me to say? Do you need an answer or an honest answer? A good answer would be don't think too much, okay? An honest one would be think and ask. You heard me, ask people. Think about what they have to say. By the way, make sure you ask the right things to the right people. However, do not believe them 100% because nobody can have all the answers you need. And I agree. Failing an exam is only scary because you fail, but after failing it, you don't feel scared anymore. Are you willing to change the way you think about the exam? Time, brain, feelings. Let me move to the second one, lesson two, comparison. But this one I'm gonna have to make it quick, okay? She hates it. Who is she? She's just a girl with a simple wish. Her wish is to be happy. People around her, however, don't want that to happen. They just want to upset her because they like to compare. They don't know that they're killing her emotionally when they're comparing like that. She hates being compared and she hates it when they keep doing that. They keep telling her that she is no good. What is her response? Her response is skip. Let me move to the next page, which is motivation from machine. You are upset because people keep comparing you with others. What do you want me to say? Do you need motivation? You want me to say something nice? Or perhaps something brutally honest? You think that those kids are better than you, so you must be a loser? If I have to be honest with you, I would say that is the most laughable thing I've ever heard. Well, let me try to be a little nicer, okay? I would say that you are unique in your own way. Skip again. Lesson 3, no comparison. I guess it's the same thing, so I have to skip again too. Lesson 4, her experiences. She also cares about her friends. Oh, friend. It's not interesting. Move to the next one. Lesson 5, impact. The impact. Getting lost. Who is she? Comparison is what people like to do and they do it all the time. One problem though, they do not know the negative impact it could have on the one being compared. It's a sad thing, but it's hard to avoid. As easy as it might sound, people compare others with many things and anything. When you are in the middle of this situation, it's kind of annoying, especially when it is your family and loved ones who actually bring you to this unwanted circumstance or happenstance. It's unpleasant and it's unavoidable. Balik me, been there, done that. Okay, the suggestion, well, you have to read that by yourself. All right, 6, what about it? Skip. I think this message is kind of good. You are perfect in your own way. I don't know if you agree with me, but I do believe that. Who are you? I can tell you that you are great and you are perfect in your own way. You don't need to do a lot of makeup stuff to make yourself look beautiful because your beauty speaks for itself. You would say, oh, come on, this also doesn't know what he's talking about. Maybe I don't, or maybe I do. But let me repeat, you are great and perfect in your own way. You can transform yourself into a mature woman. Your greatness is your true beauty. Be yourself and do everything in a good way, in a great way. Like what? What way? A way followed by your heart, of course. Some quotes. Mistake can make you wiser. Your life is your freedom, not an obligation. Your life is about your greatness and creativeness, not your failures. Your life is about you, not others. If you want an independent lifestyle, you should focus on what you love to do. You don't need to worry too much about other people and what they have to say about you. Believing is seeing. If you believe you are weak, you'll see many weak points in yourself. If you believe you're strong, you'll see many strong points in yourself. If you believe you're beautiful, you know how to use editing apps. Wait, what? Well, you get it. I mean, you know what I mean, right? Alright, so if you like this video, or if you don't like this video, don't tell me. But if you like this video, please leave it in the comment here, or maybe share it to your friends. And if you want me to read some more from this book, Who is She, He is You, also leave in the comment too. Oh, by the way, I know some fans are trying to find this book, but like me, even in Cambodia, we don't have this book just yet. I mean, this is the last one of the physical book. So if you really, really want it, I guess you have to wait. Well, a little bit more, a little bit longer. No, I mean a little bit, not too long, but a little bit, you know. But if you really, really want it, maybe you can find it from my community on NAS.io, because I also have this book over there. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.